Hi guys, welcome. So, me and my boyfriend were just cleaning our apartment because it's spring. It's time for a spring cleaning, and this is my little corner, which happens to be in our kitchen. So, as you can see, I've taken up a lot of space in here, and it's very messy. I need to deal with that. But I thought I would just go through everything, see what I got, find stuff, throw away stuff. Like, I have an old printer in here. I don't really need it because I have my printer that's in the corner over there. I have a lot of art supplies actually in here. I have oil pastels. I need to use those for some. And a lot of pens, boxes. And I even have a drawer in here that I don't use anything for. I need to find something for that. So I recently put my cat's cat tower over here because I just got a new plant and it's hanging up right there. It's very poisonous and it needs a lot of light, and we only have 2 windows to the outside that provide light, so I can only hang in that one or in our bedroom, and I decided with that one because we keep our bedroom windows closed very often. And my cat's cat tower used to go over there, and I didn't want him to eat it, so I got my easel, a couple of my paintings, and I use this lamp to provide some light to my pothos. And I have a mess of a desk. I have all these extra pencils and whatnot. I use that for my rings. I need a place for my paints. I just keep them there when I'm in the middle of painting, and when I'm not, I throw them in one of those random boxes. I have a painting I'm working on. It's for my mom. My bamboo and my little board over here. My mom recently gave me that for Easter. And I have just a bunch of random things. I have that guitar that I've been working on, but that's a project for another day. Anyway, I'm going to go through everything, clean everything, get rid of the stuff that I don't need. Stuff that I do need, we'll find a spot for them. So what do we do today? Alright guys, so for the most part everything is cleaned up, put away, thrown out, anything that I didn't want to keep. I'm very happy. I didn't really do a whole lot in here. It's pretty much the same because that's just how everything fits. But I did find stuff to put in here. I have boxes from all my old products, like my iPad pencil, phone, and that's actually the tripod that I have. And then I have like memory stuff because I'm a memory hoarder. I see him. Say hi, Sam. No? Okay. I worked on the painting for a little. Sorry, I used toilet paper because I don't have paper towels. I use toilet paper when I'm cleaning my brushes. I worked on the painting a little. I don't want to show it yet. I brought my ZZ over here. She was on top of the fridge over there, but I thought I'd put her over here. I cleaned everything. These are sketchbooks and scrap paper. I got candy in here. All my paints, including watercolor, acrylic, and oils, are in there. And then I got all my markers, pencils. I don't know what's down here. Oh, plant stuff for all my plants. Miscellaneous. My Polaroid camera. Candles and lighters. And then my little ceramic Pikachu. And my little trolley. First is canvases that are smaller and small pieces of paper. Bottom is shipping for when I ship my paintings and drawings. And then boxes for my little figurines. So yeah, I'm happy. I cleaned out all the brushes, put away pens that I didn't need, which was a lot. I did not realize how much of a pen hoarder I was. And I organized these, so now all my extra electronics, like cables, are everything on the bottom. I have things that I reach for, which are like my push pins, my nail polishes for when I'm doing videos, my makeup, even though I don't really show my face. And then in here I have my next sketchbook, things for my laptop, iPad with my iPad pencil. So yeah, I'm happy. Very happy. Well, let's Sam say bye. Say bye, Sam. Say bye-bye. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Check me out on all my social medias. My handle is @TeasCreativity for Facebook, Vero, Instagram, and Twitter. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oops. Okay, bye.